Hello, my name is Iva Frank. I am a BORA chef and I will show you here how to cook 5-5 Spelt pancake recipe with your customers. And don't forget the steam lamp, it will help you to show the effect. First step is we will make the batter. You take spelt flour, you take a bit of frying oil, this is oat milk, a bit of salt, we need honey, 2 eggs, cheese, then we need some berries for the sauce and some extra berries for the garnish. So we'll start now. Take the milk and the flour and mix the batter. Add the eggs. Then add the honey to sweeten and a pinch of salt and mix thoroughly until the batter is silky. Add the baking powder and that's it. The batter is ready. Now the berries. Take the berries and mash them with a fork. Just a bit to release the juices. And now take the cream cheese. Some more honey. And mix it. So this is your topping for the pancakes. So next step is making the pancakes, and we will turn the cooktop on to the power level 6. The pan will heat up now, and before you put the frying oil into the pan, please put the extractor on as well, and we will choose level 3. That's enough for the pancakes. So let's start now. Pour in about 5 centimeters of diameter big pancakes. When you see the big bubbles on the surface, on top of the pancakes, it's time to flip the pancakes. And now it takes only seconds and the pancakes will be ready. So you can turn the cooktop off, leave the extractor on, but the cooktop is off because you can work with the rest of the heat that is now in the pan easily. Now we'll plate up. That's it. Now place your topping. And some more berries for garnish. And some honey on top. And that's it. I hope I could show you how easy it is to cook this recipe with your customers. So happy cooking and enjoy.